It looks like very little market impact from the impeachment. That's not a surprise. But it is interesting to see the Biden suggestion of $2 trillion driving yields higher and attracting investors to the dollar. Do you see it that way as well?
It's been big news, actually, for the FX market, the whole tapering discussion. And it is very closely connected, I feel, with the Biden administration, because from what I can see, the debate really only started when the Democrats won the Georgia Senate elections. And maybe this was the signal to the Fed that the Biden Treasury is now taking over the job. Now, we have already expected Biden to come forward with the sizable stimulus and aid package, but overnight news for this to be now in the arena of $2 trillion is topping, I'd say, and most probably this is big enough maybe to change the equation for the Fed. So it will be very interesting because now the whole US dollar bearish consensus we have been starting the year with and ending last year is really being started to revisit in its assumptions, because this kind of tapering discussion is now leading the Treasury market, the Treasury yields higher, and with it the US dollar.
So we'll hear from Jerome Powell later today and see if he joins up with colleagues to kind of counter that tapering discussion, tapering suggestion. What do you expect to hear from the Fed chair, Stefanie?
Well, we had already lots of commentary just yesterday, Clarida and Brainard as well, pushing back a little bit and reining in the market that it seemed got a little bit ahead of itself. But in that respect, Powell's response will be the most crucial. I would expect that he will be also a bit more balanced in his approach, because there's still a lot of information that we in data that we need to get beforehand. You know, yesterday's inflation data hasn't really given us much more hint in regards to core inflation moving up. We will actually have to first see Biden presenting the aid plan and what exactly is in the details. And U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen will only be sworn in on Tuesday. So there's lots of things happening over the next couple of weeks. Why would Powell be extremely preemptive on this? I hope he's kind of simmering down the discussion and we take it from there.